Hello everyone, this is my review of the Dexili ice cube tray for tumbler cups. This ice cube tray is made of silicone and it makes a cylinder types of ice cubes that you can put into your tumbler cup. It makes 3 different sizes so you can put it from the bottom all the way to the top. I'll demonstrate that for you, but you just pour your water in there, put your cover on, then put it in the freezer, let it freeze, then take your ice out. Okay, now that the water's in, let's put the lid on. It snaps on pretty easy. Put it in the freezer, take it out. After it freezes about 4 or 5 hours. Let's wait till it's solid. A tip, run some warm water on the outside of it to make it a bit easier to get the ice out, but it's pretty easy because it folds right out because it's silicone. Now you can see you have your cylinder ice cubes, and I'll show you how you put them into your tumbler. You put the small one in first, which is number 1, then number 2, the bigger one, then number 3, the biggest one, which goes up to the top. So now you have ice from the bottom all the way to the top of your drink, and you can put the water in there or whatever drink that you want, and you can have it nice and chilled from the bottom all the way to the top because you have ice in the whole way through with it being chilled. So I hope this review helps.